was a sunny afternoon, and the three friends, Marvy, Cedric, and Pauline, were discussing about their PTA in math. And suddenly, Cedric collapsed to the ground, having a cardiac arrest.
Subo?
Pwede.
Pagta? Ang kainit? Kulang man ba?
Uy, si Cedric! Baka ka na ng kilas!
Cardiac arrest is a life-threatening emergency. Check for responsiveness and breathing. If absent, begin CPR immediately. It's a quiet afternoon at the school, and Roslyn is sitting at the cafeteria. And at the corner table, a girl named Nicole is eating her food, and suddenly, she begins coughing violently, and her hands flying to her throat.
Miss, are you okay? Can you stand, miss? Are you okay na, miss? I'm okay, thank you.
If you see someone choking, act quickly. Ask if they need help and look for the universal choking sign or the clutching of throat. Perform abdominal thrust or Heimlich maneuver if they can speak, cough, or breathe. Always call for emergency help if the object doesn't come out or the person loses consciousness.